Okay, we have, it looks like we have a leaking valve. Probably you received this box here for tire replacement. And this kit comes with this base to be attached to a table for you to attach the wheel to. You put the wheel there. There's a video showing how to replace the tire. So it comes with this base, comes with a clamp for the base to the table, but it also comes with a pair of levers, like tire levers, some extra cores for the valve here. This thing goes inside, and then you have this tool that if you suspect that it's leaking here, you can use soapy water and put it here, or saliva. And then you have this tool. You will insert the tool and you will turn until you feel it engages with the valve. And don't tight too much, but you can tight a little bit more just to see if it fixes the problem. If it doesn't fix, you can try to remove it. Okay, I will remove it here just for you to see. Good. All the air came off. The valve core was removed, and then I will install another one because I said there are some extras there. So you put the valve there with the pin facing out, and you will tight, but don't tight too much because it's a plastic seat. Okay, it should work well. Pump the tire and check with the soapy water here.